stories are in here as well. So you don't have to sit there and replay to memorize the songs. All the lyrics are here for you. Next up, we have our photo cards. Here they are. I love these because your teacher guide tells you when to pull them, and then on the back is going to be things to talk about with your kiddos. So they're giving you all the ones you need for this lesson, a read aloud book, strategy cards for compound words and classification. You are getting oh look at this, a magnetic story folder. So the teacher reads the story, and then the kiddos get to use these pop out magnetic pieces to retell or sequence the story on a whiteboard. Next up, this is one of our big books because it's easily small enough to be handled by the teacher, but still big enough so the kiddos can see the pictures. I love this. And we know that brain research tells us that it's very important for kiddos to see real life pictures so they can make connections to their real life world. So Frog Street does a really good job of incorporating real life pictures. And next is this is Theme 3 Teacher Guide. Friends, this is a whole entire teacher guide unit, so you can actually teach lessons from this to see if Frog Street would work in your classroom. You can see here it's tabbed by the week, and it's so beautiful. It's full color. I know there's not many teacher guides out there that look like this. Oh, I love it. Okay, so that's everything you're going to be getting in your sample kit. See you soon.